Hello, my name is Mr. B, or you can call me Ballantyne if you like syllables. Hello, my name is Mr. O, or you can call me O'Connell if you like Irish tangs. Miss Wolf, the choir director. I also work a lot with theater in so many ways. Hello, we are the theater staff. We would like to share with you about our department. We offer 6 theater classes, hello, including scene shop and creative dramatics. Those are all middle school classes, hello. Oops, I forgot about intro to musical theater. Hello.
Oh, hey.
We have 3 high school classes that you can take throughout your entire high school career.
They are
Intro to theater, which is the prerequisite for elements of acting. Hello.
Hi.
Our last class is Intro to Stagecraft.
Hello.
Where you will learn to create
Sets, lights, sound.
all the things.
I love building sets.
After taking these classes, you will be a pro. Hill Murray Theater
6 shows a year.
is super fun.
Yeah, I said it.
And if you come and join, we'll show you how it can be done.
Thanks.
You should?
Oh, well.
That's fine.
This is a lot.
You simply won't believe how much theater will change your life. Theater will change your life. Theater will change your life.
Do you want to come be a part of Hill Murray Theater? It's really great.
Oh no, Mr. Ballantyne. Stick to the approved dialogue.
Okay. Hello, my name is Ben Ballantyne, and I'm the theater director at Hill Murray School, and this is my professional attire. Don't I look professional? Let me tell you about our season. 6 shows a year at least. So, in the fall, we do a fall play, or sometimes we do a smaller musical. Then we do a middle school cabaret. We also have a Christmas production, which could be a play, variety show, or a musical. We also participate in the Minnesota State High School League one-act play, and we've advanced at state festivals, starring numerous times in the past few years. That is the equivalent of making it to the state tournament and maybe even winning the state championship in a sport. It's pretty cool. Then we also do a middle school play in January, February, around then, and we also have a spring musical. In addition to all of these shows, we'll also do a cabaret every once in a while, or an open mic night, or any sort of staged reading, or a really small play, or a concert. In addition to all the shows that we do, which I don't know that any other schools can compete with just how many shows we do, which allows so many students to participate in our program, a larger percentage than almost any other school. In addition, Miss Wolf, Mr. O'Connell, and I are all heavily involved in the professional theater scene in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area, working at the Ordway, the Guthrie, Chanhassen Dinner Theaters, amongst others. So we also have a lot of relationships with professionals in town, so we'll bring them in to teach a workshop, choreograph our shows, or even just talk with our kids about what it's like to be a professional. It's really great. We love it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something about our department, and maybe you'll be a part of it someday. Come to us. Thank you so much for listening. Email me if you have any questions. Bye. Peace.
Hello, I'm Mr. B, and I like to talk about theater. Theater is my job here at Hill Murray, and I really like theater.